Hi guys, I'm Mike Bernard, co-founder at Yativo. In case you don't know what we do at Yativo, we provide financial infrastructure for crypto platforms who are looking to integrate fiat to their flow. These are platforms like VASPs, which are virtual assets providers, crypto, your on and off ramp platforms, your crypto gateways, even some of your exchanges, OTC exchanges, stuff like that. We provide them the critical infrastructure that they use in their back office to process the fiat components of their business and also the crypto components of their business. Uh, Today, I'll be talking about our product, which is our Yativo Wallets-as-a-Service, which basically enables these platforms to issue crypto wallet addresses to their users on the XDC network. This is very crucial for these businesses because they need to issue wallet addresses, whether it's the exchanges, the neobanks, or whatever. They always need to issue wallet addresses. They need to segregate funds, have a central wallet, and also have each user have their own private wallet with segregated funds. Need to account for security, fraud, and a lot of stuff. And that's what we are building on the XDC network with the wallet as a service product. So this is how the dashboard looks like. Most of our work is API based, but for this we'll be showing you with the dashboard so you could see more of the analytics and how some stuff work on the front end. So what this dashboard basically helps you do is we enable you see and manage all your users' wallets, all your users' transactions, their funds. This is all the balances held in your master wallets and in the wallets of all your users, all the wallets you have created. Total received is all the funds deposited to your wallet addresses by your users. The sent is the ones withdrawn. Internal transfer is transfers between your users or even transfers within your organization, like when you transfer for gas fees and all that. And then we have the blocked balance. This is our fraud detection software. So we are able to detect when funds are deposited from illegal sources, maybe a wallet on a sanction list or something. And with our technology, you can identify those funds and block them and save yourself whatever legal repercussions would come out from that. So let's dive deep into the core parts of the product, which is the vault. In the vault, you have two things in your vault, which is the accounts and the gas station. So the account is basically like each product you are building. So let's say this company is Z Technology and you have like three different apps or three different products. You can make an account for every single product you want to build. That way, you are able to segregate funds for each project without commingling funds, and you're able to monitor each and every one of them separately. It helps a lot when you are calling via the API because the funds will be separated each to each. In the accounts is more like the master wallet, and then you connect all your customers' wallets to each account. So your customers are linked to an account, their wallets are linked to an account, and vice versa. So you can fund an account with a normal transfer. So let's say I want to fund the default account. This is the default account. There's also a payment link which I can use to fund the account. You can give this link to the customers or you can customize the link how you want. We just made this sample, but those using the API will be able to build their own custom flow however they want, put whatever things they want on it and all that. If you go to the account, you see each account has the account ID, which you use in the API, total account value, total balance on the account, and assets. Asset is like which cryptocurrencies do you have? And the assets we only have here is XDC for now, but in the future, more assets would be supported. So, I want to fund this account. As you can see, this account just has 10 XDC, and I want to fund this account. So, I go to the receive funds as I did earlier, select the assets, XDC. I can also select, okay, I want it in USD or I want it in, in whatever currency I feel like. So, I'll be taking one USD, which is 38 XDC tokens. Like I showed you before, that is the checkout link. but then we're making a one USD transaction. So let's do. Okay, there we go. So I go to my MetaMask. MetaMask is like your normal wallet, and I want to just fund that wallet balance. So I initiate a send, paste the wallet address. I made a mistake on the wallet address. So I copy the wallet address, I paste it here, yeah, and then I copy the amount I'm trying to pay, which is 38 point something something, and I paste it here. I think I didn't copy that properly. So I paste it here, and here you go. You have it. So I initiate a transfer to the wallet, and that's it. I've sent a transfer. I have some confirmations, though I'll need more confirmations before it reflects on my balance. But basically, the transaction has been initiated. So take a look at the balance. This is what it was before we sent. So we sent $1 in. Then this is the gas station. The gas station is where you put the funds for your gas fees. So whatever transactions you are doing on the blockchain, you need to pay gas fees. So we built a gas station wallet. It's a wallet that holds your gas tokens. Uh, but in a situation where your account has the asset already, which is the native asset, you wouldn't need a gas station. But if you are holding in your accounts like tokens, maybe FXD or Tivo tokens or other tokens that are not the native tokens, then you will need a gas station. So this gas station is built. You could fund your gas station the same way you fund your account, and you know send money. You could use payment links and all that. You can also withdraw from your gas station, send funds out of your gas station. Here you also do the connections between your gas station and the wallet. So you connect which wallet you want to have which gas station and whatnot. You could say, okay, this wallet address, I want it to have this gas station and this and that. And you can also put triggers, you can put other stuff that you are looking at, how you want your gas station fees to happen and all that. It's very necessary and it's things we do via the API to enable your transactions, always go seamlessly. Then here you have the customer section. Here you can add a new customer or you can remove an existing customer. So I could add a customer here, or I could see the existing customer details and all that. Then we have the developer section. In the developer section, you have your API keys. In the developer section, you have your API keys, as you can see them here. You have the API keys. You have the webhooks, where you the webhook secrets, which accounts of the webhook, which version of our API, and all that. You have the events where you could see all the transaction events that have happened on your account and all that. And then you have the transactions where you see the transactions that have been carried out. You see which ones that are pending, which ones are waiting approval. If your settings include multiple users having to approve and whatnot. So you will see the transactions you have done before would all reflect here, and you'll be able to carry out transactions. So back to the tokens we sent. Remember, we sent some tokens. You can see them on the blockchain explorer here. We sent 3 minutes ago. We sent 38 XDC, which is like $1, and you can see that the funds have reflected here. We now have the $1 here. The funds have reflected in the accounts under the assets. We now have 48 XDC here from 10 we had before. You can also see them in the transaction history. You'll be able to see the still loading, but you'll be able to see the XDC that was deposited, and it is the same scan, both this and the same scan on the wallet. So if you look, the hash ends with 60C and the hash also ends with 60C. So now we have been able to deposit funds. We also would funds. So now I want to withdraw funds from the wallet to my account to a customer's external account. So I come to my MetaMask again and I copy my MetaMask wallet address. Uh, I select which account I'm paying from, which asset, and then I paste the wallet address. You can see it's the same wallet, 65ED, 65ED. And I say, okay, I want to withdraw $1 and call it a withdrawal. This section helps me actually put a note and know, okay, this was a personal withdrawal or something, to know this transaction, what happened here, what happened here. It's very helpful for you to track transactions. And there you go. I initiate a withdrawal directly to my own external wallet. And the funds would get there as soon as possible. So, as you can see, my balance has reduced again. $1 has left my account. If you go to the transaction history and it's loading, you would be able to see the particular transaction withdrawal confirmed. So the withdrawal has been made, as you can see here on the blockchain, 39 seconds ago from my master wallet to the to my MetaMask account. And so I go to my MetaMask and the funds are expected back. Yeah, they are back to my MetaMask account, and I can use it for whatever I want to do. Okay, so this is this is the hash, the transaction hash, and the details of the payout. So those are the stuff you can do with the Yativo wallet as a service right now. Uh, More work is in progress. We have more features coming, like being able to mint stable coins, being able to stake, being able to use Web3 features or issue Web3 wallets, and all of that stuff. Segregate funds, customer addresses, and all that. So those are features coming, and this would be very helpful for a lot of fintechs, a lot of virtual asset providers who are looking to issue blockchain wallets or who are looking to have some sort of wallet systems on their platform. And thank you for following so far, and we look forward to working with you. Have a great day.